Alright, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to back up your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. Backups are super important, and the good news is it only takes a few minutes to get it done. So first things first, open up your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look up at the top right corner and click the login option. To keep it simple, choose the option that says continue with Google. This way, you don't have to remember another password and it's nice and secure. Now, when the list of accounts pops up, just select the Google account that's tied to your WordPress site. After signing in, you'll land inside your WordPress dashboard. From here, we need to head over to the Tools section. Take a second to look around. You'll see it clearly listed in the menu. This is where WordPress keeps different options for managing and exporting your content. Inside Tools, you'll notice an option called Export. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main feature we'll use for backing up your website. On the Export page, WordPress gives you choices, like whether you want to back up just your posts, or your pages, or even your media files. Take a moment to review those options and pick what makes sense for your needs. If you want a full backup, you'll usually choose All Content. Once your settings are ready, it's time to download the backup. Click on the download button and WordPress will package your website content into a file. Save that file on your computer. It's basically your safety net. That file is now your backup. If anything goes wrong, or if you ever need to migrate your site somewhere else, you've got everything stored safely. And that's really it. You've just learned how to back up your WordPress website in just a few steps. It's a small habit that can save you a ton of stress down the road. So yeah, enjoy the peace of mind knowing your content is safe, and feel free to explore other backup methods if you want an extra layer of security.